Hello, my dear friends. Today, you and I have been invited to visit by the Blue family. Let's go and see what interesting things we can see. Let's put the puzzle together. And I think so we need level medium. Okay, let's go. Number 1. We need 4 corners. Corners number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Corners number 1 I see. But I don't know where is place for this peach puzzle. This? Maybe. Oh no! No, it's not right. Or this? Oh, look friends! Now it's right. Cool. Where is corners number 2? Oh yeah, I see. Place for you. This? Not, friends. It's not right. This. I was wrong. Okay, maybe this. Yes, good friends. Now it's right. Cool. I like it. Corners number 3. I see corners. Place for this peach puzzle. This or this? This. I think so, yes. Friends. Oh no. Oh, bang. This. Oh yeah. It's cool. Now it's right, yes. And the corners number 4. I think so. Yes. Yes, friends, look. Wow, we did it. Now we have 4 corners. And now we need all peach puzzles with one side line. This, and this. Okay. Peach puzzles with line this. We need line left side. And I don't know. Maybe this peach puzzle. No, it's not right. It's side, but line this. We need this. This line. Maybe this peach puzzles. Oh no, friends. It's not right. Oh, look, friends. Oh yeah, I think so. It is right. Oh yes. Oh, amazing. Oh, interesting. Where is this? Okay. Now we need peach puzzles with line this side. Ta-da! And I see this peach puzzles with line this, but where is I see this peach puzzles? It's not right. Oh, friends, yes. It's very right. I think so. Yes. Yes. Cool. Okay. Now we need 2 peach puzzles with line this. Ta-da! Yeah. Oh, look, friends. I see 1 peach puzzles with line this and 2. This peach puzzles. 2 variants. This or this. And I think so this. Oh no. It's not right. This. Yes. Oh, beautiful. And peach puzzles number 2. This. Ta-da! Okay, friends, we have a free side with line. And now we need only 2 peach puzzles with one side line. This and this. Okay, these peach puzzles. 2 variants. This and this. Oh, I think so. This. Oh no. No. This. Yes! Oh yeah, now it's right. And friends, now we did it. Oh, pitch puzzles with one side line. Ta-da! Ta-da! Cool, friends. It is amazing and beautiful and we very good people, children. And now we need only 2 peach puzzles in center. Yes. And I see Bluey. Maybe Bluey. Maybe Daddy Bluey. Yes. Okay. 2 peach puzzles. This peach puzzles. These are these. These are these. How? I think so. This. Oh no. But now I know where is place for these peach puzzles. These. Yes, it's cool. Oh, great. These peach puzzles, this. And now we see. What are you doing, Bluey?
Well, you're not old enough to go exploring too far yet. So, this is a special present for you, because I love you so much. One day you can float up as high as you want, but for now, this will help you stay down here with us.
Oh.
Now, everyone in the pool.
It is very amazing and beautiful moments. Oh, thank you, friends, for your help, for your job. Please subscribe and like this video, and see you soon. Bye.